Turkey Stuffed Acorn Squash. Ingredients: 2 medium acorn squash, about 1.5 pounds each, washed. 1 small onion, washed and finely chopped. 2 cups cooked turkey or chicken, chopped. 2 cups leftover cooked stuffing. 1/2 cup cranberry sauce, I used canned, or 1/3 cup dried cranberries. 1/2 cup of low-sodium vegetable or chicken broth. Use leftovers. This recipe is super flexible. No turkey? Try chicken. No chicken broth? Try vegetable broth. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. Soften the squash before cutting it. You can do this by poking holes with a fork and then placing it in the microwave for about 2 minutes. Once the squash is softened, cut it in half and remove the seeds. Add about 1/2 to 1 inch of water to your baking dish with the squash. Bake squash in the oven at 350 degrees, uncovered, for about 30 minutes. After chopping your onion, prepare it for the dish by either sautéing it in oil on the stove or microwaving it to soften. Combine turkey or chicken, stuffing, cranberry sauce, or dried cranberries, broth, and the cooked onion. Drain water from the baking dish. Flip the squash cut side up. Fill each squash with the turkey or chicken mixture. It's okay if some of it spills out the sides. Bake, uncovered, for 25 to 30 minutes, or until heated through and squash is easily pierced with a fork. Serve and enjoy!